Good evening students. In this quick video, we have to see a lesson in a life from beggar written by Sudha Murthy. It's English workshop. First is complete the following table. First column is of utterance, second column who said, and third column to whom. First is Shweta is a very beautiful girl, isn't she? Author Sudha Murthy said to Meena. Next, when a pony is young, he looks handsome. Meena said to author Sudha Murthy. Next, it's a beautiful day. Author Sudha Murthy said to Meena. No, the sun is too hot. Meena said to author Sudha Murthy. I am all excited. It's nice to meet old friends. Meena said to author Sudha Murthy. Let's chat. Meena said to author Sudha Murthy. We won't get a taxi in this rain. Author Sudha Murthy to Meena. Next, then what's the secret of your energy? Author Sudha Murthy to Meena. Said to Meena. A beggar changed my life. Meena said to author Sudha Murthy. Now, second question is state whether the second question state whether the following statements are right or wrong. Correct the wrong ones. First is the author and Meena were great enemies. The author and Meena were great enemies. This is wrong sentence. Correct sentence is the author and the Meena were good friends. Next is Meena was a very cheerful person initially. The answer is wrong. Correct answer is Meena was a very pessimistic, chronic person initially. Meena was chronic pessimist person initially. Next one is Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Delhi. Statement is wrong. Correct sentence is Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Bangalore. Next is Meena was the second child of her parents. Sentence is wrong. Correct sentence is Meena was the only one child of her parents. Next is the author Spotted Meena at Bombay's Flora Fountain. The sentence is right. Next is the beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was a lot of traffic. There was a lot of traffic. The sentence is wrong. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was lot of traffic. The sentence is wrong. Correct sentence is the beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. Next one is the sin of the beggar and the girl made Meena peep into her life. Into her own life. The sentence is the sin of the beggar and the girl made Meena peep into her own life. The sentence is right. Next is the beggar became Meena's role model. Sentence is the beggar became Meena's role model. The sentence is right. Next is it took Meena almost 2 years to put the change into effect. It took Meena almost 2 years to put the change into effect. The sentence is right. Next one is, now last sentence. Meena was able to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru, the beggar. Sentence is Meena was able to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru, the beggar. Thus, this sentence is wrong. Correct sentence is Meena was unable to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru, the beggar. So she sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school. Here, thanks.